Think you're eating healthy? Some foods with healthy labels may actually be slowing you down, adding unnecessary calories, or doing nothing at all. Let's look at 5 so-called healthy foods that science says might be wasting your time. Number 1, granola bars. Granola bars seem healthy, right? But many are loaded with added sugars, syrups, and oils. According to the Harvard School of Public Health, some bars pack more sugar than a donut. If you're grabbing these as a health snack, check the label or try a handful of nuts instead. Number 2, flavored yogurts. Yogurt is great, but flavored yogurts? Not so much. Most contain 20 plus grams of added sugar in one tiny serving. That's like eating dessert for breakfast. Stick with plain Greek yogurt and add fruit yourself. You'll get more protein, less sugar, and still enjoy the taste. Number 3, vegetable chips. Made from sweet potatoes doesn't make it healthy. Most veggie chips are deep fried and heavily salted, just like regular chips. A 2022 study in Appetite showed people often overeat them because they sound healthier. Try air-popped popcorn or roasted chickpeas instead. Number 4, store-bought smoothies. That smoothie shop may be giving you more sugar than a soda. Many green smoothies contain fruit juice, ice cream, or sweeteners. If it's not made fresh, it's probably not clean. Blend your own at home with whole fruits and spinach for real benefits. Number 5, multigrain bread. Multigrain isn't always whole grain. Unless the label says 100% whole wheat or whole grain as the first ingredient, it might just be white bread in disguise. Look for fiber-rich options with minimal ingredients. Eating healthy doesn't mean falling for the hype. Always check the labels and stick with whole, simple foods backed by science. Like this video if you learned something new, and hit subscribe for more nutrition facts you can trust.